going to show you one of our specialty here. We're making our own tomato ketchup in Grow HQ. So we do a little twist on it. We're going to spice it up a bit. So we're going to put some crushed coriander and crushed cumin. We're going to toast it into a warm little pot until you can smell the aroma coming out. So when that's happening for about 2 minutes, mind that will burn, so you'll have to be careful on it. So we're going to prep our tomatoes. So we're going to cut the end pit there because they're pretty hot. They're pretty hard and it's not going to be nice in the ketchup. So that's nice and toasty there. We're going to put it in the bottom of the tray. So nice all over the place there. And then we're going to have the tomatoes. So you put the flesh side up, that they're going to dry off in the oven for about 2 or 3 hours in low temperature. So cutting our tomatoes. So I'm using beef tomatoes here because for that type of recipes it's quite nice because they're nice and fleshy and they'll get you more flavor inside your sauce. So there we're going to block all the small holes there. Always size up. So we're going to add a touch of cayenne pepper over. It's a little spice, little heat into our ketchup. Touch of salt. About 150 grams of golden sugar. There we go. And then our homemade red wine vinegar. There. So, just going to put about 2 ladles full of it. So homemade red wine vinegar won't be as acidy than bought in vinegar, so you'll put a little bit more. There we go. And then we're going to bake this for about 2 hours. Depends on the quality of the tomatoes. It could take about 3 hours at 120 degrees. So that's us after about 2.5 hours. You see the tomatoes are gone all nice and dry. They really condensed all the nice flavors and sweetness. So from there we're going to blitz the tomatoes to make our ketchup. So you might burn yourself at that stage. Yeah. And a little twist to make a kind of a nice little North African taste. We're going to put a little bit of fresh coriander into it as well. So the fresh coriander, I just put it at the end before I blend it because we want to keep the freshness of the coriander. So, and if you roast the fresh coriander, you lose the freshness of it, the nice citrus taste of it. So there. And we're going to blitz it, but not too long and not too fast. So the rice is going to break down the seeds of the tomatoes and it might just turn a little bit bitter. So. And to me, a ketchup should be slightly chunky anyway. So, and that'll be our ketchup there. Perfect for any type of sandwiches, chips, and as simple as that. Very easy to do, and you can preserve that in jars as well, and they'll keep for months. So that's a very, very good way to preserve all your tomatoes, all your overflows of harvesting and stuff. So there we go. So HQ spicy tomato for you.